That was a really quick break today on Vogue with Charm, and I have already showed you our first segment, which was fashion trends, and talking about our second segment, that's events and interview. Let's go and watch. Yes, people, you're still watching Vogue with Charm, and this is our second segment, which is events and interview. And yes, today we have a really gorgeous lady. Well, she's not only a winner of one pageant, but she has won already three pageants. First is Miss Angel 2011, one of the finalists of College Ambassador, and now she is Miss International Nepal 2013. Yes, people, that is Oshika Neopani. So let's welcome her on our show. So welcome, Miss Oshika.
Thank you, Sveta.
So how's life rolling on?
Yes, life is going pretty good.
Well, you are a winner of like three pageant winners. So how does it feel?
It feels really awesome. I feel really excited. Not only that, because I've already been on Angel. I also was a top 3 finalist of Cause Ambassador. Now I am Miss International Nepal. I feel really lucky that I have been winning such pageants time and again.
So life se kasari, how has it been turned around your life after being Miss International Nepal?
Well, talking about me, Oshika Neopani, she's same as she was before, but in terms of personality, in terms of grooming, in terms of many things, yes, in experience, I've earned a lot. But as a personal Oshika Neopani, as she was before, she's same.
Okay, so well, basically Vogue with Charm is all about fashion. So the first question I always ask is, what is fashion according to you?
Okay, fashion. Fashion, according to me, is like it's a comfort, right? So to carry on any of the dresses, you must have self-confidence as well. And plus, the thing is like you also need to have a good spirit from your heart. So whatever you wear, whatever you feel comfortable, whatever thing you get satisfied is called fashion, I guess.
So कतिको fashionable हुनुहुन्छ?
Fashionable भन्दा पनि I walk according to the season होइन season अनुसार म चाहिँ आफूलाई change गर्छु. So if it is called as fashionable, then yes, I think I walk according to season and it's fashionable.
Okay, so Oshika Neopani in shorts or in skirts or in skinny jeans?
3 of them.
Few of them. कुन चाहिँ आफूलाई एकदमै सुट गर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
I guess skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans. So यहाँ चाहिँ basically काठमाडौँमै भनौँ न, where do you usually prefer to shop?
Well, it depends. अब म बसिरहेको भने चाहिँ बानेश्वरमा हो होइन. So I go to बानेश्वर पनि जान्छु, दरबार पनि जान्छु, नक्साल पनि गइरहेको हुन्छु होइन. So it depends. मलाई अब जहाँ जुन जस्तो लुगा मनपर्छ म किनिहाल्छु. So particular place भनेर चाहिँ कुनै पनि एउटा particular shop अथवा कुनै पनि stock भन्ने छैन. I just go and buy the things. That's it.
Okay, so before I ask another question, I just अगाडि चाहिँ एउटा question गरिहालौँ. Winter season or summer season?
Winter.
Okay, so मैले actually के सोध्न आएको थिएँ भने summer has finally here होइन, because I love summer. So summer is here. What do you want to say about it? I mean, especially dresses मा चाहिँ.
Summer like winter भन्दा समरमा चाहिँ you feel cool हुन्छ नि एकदम तपाईले भने जस्तै cool feel हुन्छ अनि beside that summer is the season where you can wear slippery dresses, slippers लाउन मिल्छ, shortsहरू, you feel more cool त्यही हो basically, but I love winter.
Okay, you love winter. So basically अब fashion चाहिँ नेपालमा पनि it's like developing, राम्रो develop भएर डिजाइनरहरू आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ होइन. So के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ यसमा चाहिँ?
Well, it's really good किनकि पहिलाको फेज हेरिकन नेपालमा धेरै चेन्जेसहरू आएको छ in terms of fashion. अब डिजाइनर्सहरू पनि त्यतिकै राम्रोहरू हुनुहुन्छ पहिला हुनुहुन्थ्यो तर अहिले अझै ग्रुम हुनुभएको सबैजनालाई चाहिँ बाहिरको अब बाहिर ब्रडहरूसँग पनि एउटा हुन्छ नि प्रवल गुरुङ you know him है. So it's really good to know that Nepal is really developing in terms of fashion and in terms of media industry also.
So are you satisfied with Nepali fashion?
Yes, comparisonमा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ yes, compare गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I'm really satisfied because जस्तो पहिला थियो त्यो भन्दा धेरै नै चेन्जेसहरू आएको छ हैन. मैले भनिहालेँ अब ड्रेसेसहरुमा अब पहिला त्यस्तो खाले ड्रेसेसमा ध्यान दिदैन थियो भने अहिले many of them have started to look up in the dress भनिन्छ नि ड्रेसबाट नै मान्छेहरुलाई जज गर्न थालिसकेको छ. So yes, it's really good, it's really developing and plus आफू पनि धेरै ग्रुम भइरहेको छु, पर्सनालिटीमा चेन्जहरु आइरहेको छ. I feel really good.
So well, अहिले चाहिँ जस्तै कि हैन अब नेपाली फ्यासन चाहिँ it's developing. I won't say it's not हैन. तर मैले बेसिकली के देख्छु नि वेस्टर्नमा चाहिँ एकदम इन्फ्लुएन्स छ. इभन नो म्याटर लाइक डिजाइनरले जस्तो यो गरे पनि when it comes to designing a cloth, they prefer like western के स्टाइलहरु हुन्छ के. They are not using अब हुन्छ नि एउटा नेपाललाई पनि दे हेभ टु गिभ लाइक ओके द्याट इज नेपाली डिजाइन हुन्छ नि नेपाली फ्याब्रिक एन्ड अल सो एनिथिङ यु वुड लाइक टु से आर यु सेटिस्फाइड विथ माई एन्सर
I want to cut off the lines over here. है तपाईँको अलिकति पोइन्ट काट्नु यसमा द थिङ इज लाइक नेपाली फ्याब्रिक युज गरेको छैन भन्नुभयो इट्स त्यस्तो होइन यु क्यान सी द डिजाइनर्स अहिलेको सुवेक्षा बदल भयो तेन्जिङ दाई भयो दे आर युजिङ नेपाली फेब्रिकहरूलाई लिँदै धेरै फेसन सोहरू गरिरहनु भएको छ नेपाली ड्रेसहरूलाई अझै एम्फसाइज गरिरहेको छ अब नेपाली ड्रेस भन्दा साथ बी नट वेयरिङ गुन्यु चोलो होइन इट्स रियली डेभलपिङ अब गुन्यु चोलो लगाए मात्रै नेपाली भन्न मिल्दैन यु क्यान युज द ढाकाहरू पनि युज भइरहेको छ होइन सो हरेक फेसन सोहरूमा चाहिँ हामीले देख्न सकिरहेको हुन्छ फ्याब्रिक नेपाली फ्याब्रिक युज गरेको छ नि ल द ड्रेस आइएम वेयरिङ राइट नाउ दिस जिन्स इज अल्सो आई गेस नेपाली फ्याब्रिक होइन सो यस नेपाली फ्याब्रिकहरू युज भइरहेको छ
Yes, obviously, Nepali fabric used by but still, I've heard a lot from as I run a fashion show. I've learned a lot, and so I wanted to know what's your. Anyways, now obviously, I side ma fashion line. So, घुमघाम कतिको मन पर्छ?
Yes, घुमघाम त म गरिरहेको हुन्छु आई लभ ट्राभलिङ होइन सो विथ फ्रेन्ड्सहरूसँग प्रायः घुमिरहेको हुन्छौँ तर आउट अफ भ्याली चाहिँ त्यस्तो घुमेको छुइनँ एन्ड भ्याली चाहिँ आई हेभ बिन मेनी प्लेसेस
Okay, so तीनटा pageant holder, it's like a dream come true for you. So after अब तपाईले भन्नुभयो लाइफ त चेन्ज भएको छैन इट्स स्टिल यु ओशिका न्यौपाने बट स्टिल मान्छेहरूले रेकग्नाइज गर्न थाल्नु भइसक्यो होइन प्लस you're also in media. So how does it actually feel?
In a sense, like?
In a sense, अब हुन्छ नि 3 pageant holder in media, but obviously people know you. Life, like it's like smoothly लाग्छ but then still. It changes, it does change. Like people will recognize you. So what do you want to say?
As I said, changes in personality आएको छ changes in groomed भएको छु. Well, yes, पहिला ओशिका न्यौपाने मात्रै भनेर चिनिन्छ भने अहिले चाहिँ मिस इन्टरनेसनल नेपाललाई नेपाललाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दैछ केटीले भनेर त्यसरी चिनिएको छु. It feels good because it is a platform for everyone, for every ladies होइन सबैले प्लेटफर्म पाउनु भएको थियो सबैले युज पनि गरिरहनु भएको छ अहिले होइन सो इट्स फिल रियली गुड हुन्छ नि डेभलपमेन्ट देख्दा त एकदमै खुसी लाग्छ त्यही हो.
So well, Miss Oshika, thank you so much for joining us. Tara, before we pack up, agadi चाहिँ एउटा हाम्रो सानो segment हुन्छ. It's called rapid fire round where you have to answer really quickly. So are you ready with it?
Okay. Not much. Gucci, Victoria's Secret. Earrings, air tops. A neck piece. Praval Gurung. List earrings and expensive my cell phone.
Thank you so much, Oshika, for joining us. It was really pleasure to have you on our show.
Thank you so much, Sweta.
Well, so you're going on international arena, you're representing Nepal. So we would like to wish you a really, really luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So lastly, anything you want to say to our viewers?
Well, yes, as you said, I am going to USA for Miss Intercontinental on July. So I really need your support, love. So मलाई यसरी नै साथ दिइरहनुस्, यसरी नै माया गरिदिइरहनुस्, and yes, I will try my best to back the crown.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now moving aside, we have to, because time is slipping from my hands. So without much delay, let me show you our third segment. But before that, I need to go for a really short break.